BMW R nineT. Yeah, believe it or not, I had the best 100 to 200 times without any shifting. So just staying in one gear, in 5th gear or 6th gear roll on, yeah, I had the best 100 to 200 times. I tried it in starting in 2nd gear, I tried to start it in 3rd gear, in 4th gear, but yeah, it didn't work out. Because while shifting you lose about 0.3 of a second, and when you shift 3 times, you lose about 1 second, and you have to gain it somewhere. Yeah, a quick shifter would have been very nice. So please, BMW, next time add a quick shifter to this bike. So have fun and ride safe.